So in this video, I'm quickly going to show you how you can send money to a friend in Revolut. Now it's nice and easy to do, and the benefit is you'll be able to save their details as well. So perhaps maybe if you do send the money regularly, you'll be able to save their details for another time. So the first thing you'll want to do is you'll want to open up the Revolut app to this page here, and then you'll just want to click on the payment section at the bottom here. Then it will open you up to this page here, where it will then probably display you some of the previous contacts that you've sent money to. But of course, if you're perhaps new to Revolut, it might not display anything. But if you do see your friend already on this list, you can then go ahead and bypass this tutorial and send them money straight away. But if you don't, and you want to send money to a new contact, you can go ahead and press the plus section at the top here. Then once you've done that, there's obviously a few options you can do. So to send money to a friend on Revolut, and you perhaps already have their details, you can go ahead and press the Revolut Friends at the top here. And then if you have their Rev tag or their phone number, you should be able to enter it here and you can send money to them that way. Now, if you've already got them saved as a contact in your phone, there is a chance that they might already be set up for you on Revolut. So to find out that, you can then go ahead and select the Rev tag option here. And then you might need to confirm whether or not if you want to share your contacts to Revolut. But once you've done that, it should then give you a list of all the Revolut contacts that are synced up to your phone. But just in case you don't have those details, to simplify it, you can then go ahead and go back to this section here. And if they've provided you with their bank details, you can go ahead and select the bank option here. Then nice and simple, you can then go ahead and enter their bank details here. Obviously, the bank account details can change depending on the country that you're from. So for example, obviously I'm from the UK, so they obviously ask you for a sort code and account number. But obviously in Europe, it would of course be an IBAN. So again, if you need to change the country, you can go ahead and do so at the top here, and then you can scroll down the country list to find the country that you want to send money to. Then once you've selected the country, you can then go ahead and fill out the bank details as normal. Then you'll need to select how much money you want to send. So for this example, we'll say £5. Then lastly, you'll just be asked to confirm the transaction before you send. Obviously, make sure you double check all the details. And if you're happy to send, you can go ahead and press send. And that is pretty much it. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And thanks again for watching.